Hi friends, here's a fun game. There are 9 squares. This is a tic-tac-toe game, and it comes with some pieces. There are starfish, whales, coral, and jellyfish. You can have an adult help you cut, or if you'd like to cut, go right ahead and choose. Instead of doing X's and O's, you can use the sea creatures and decide. And you start by putting one in a square, then somebody else puts one in a square, and you just go until you get 3 in a row. So you can have 3 up and down, 3 diagonal, 3 across, any direction. They have to be in a row. It can't be like 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. It needs to be 3 in a row. This is a lot of fun. You can play it over and over and over. You can keep these with it. There's 4 different sheets. Have lots of fun with it. Bye, friends.